Nice and crunchy here this morning. It's I'm not sure, March anyway, 28 or 19 or 18 or something. A little bit of wood, bit of a crust on the snow. Anyway, load of wood there this morning. Beautiful morning. We got the crust on the snow too now. Can't see any coyote tracks, but anyway. Dodge on along. Can't see any tracks around at all, hardly. I got a little noise in my clutch when she pulls, and my belt is gone. I'm going to have to get a new belt. I haven't put a belt on this one since I had it. Still the same original belt. A little bit of wood around there everywhere that you can pick up this time of the year. Here's the highway right there. Got one road crossing to do just before I get home. But right there, that's not too bad. It keeps stakes on my sled. On my runners, wear bars, some people call them. I'm going to get a set of carbides and put on it, I think, so it won't wear out. Anyway, I'm coming up on the road there now, and the wear bars that I put on that one, I made, oh, it must be 8 or 9 years ago, I'd say. There's the road, just crossed. Yeah, anyway. My house is there. There's the wood I got. And there's the plane up there in the sky. That's it. Brings my wood right to my door. Yeah, right to the garage. Whew. Wow. Yeah.